Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my pretty bag. So right now we are going to Food Zen, so come with me. Heading upstairs. Waiting in the waiting area. Going to the third floor. Hey, look, it's raining. This rain was unexpected. The food is here. It's looking delicious already. So we have handi and shashlik type something, and spaghetti and naan and burger and malai boti, I think. Yes. And the spaghetti was so good. I love the spaghetti and everything was delicious. So going downstairs. Going home. Bye. Love you. And blind bag videos are coming soon. Bye.